1 kitchen, 12 months, 12 hair masks, and every ingredient is probably already in your home. January, yogurt and honey for dry winter hair. February, banana mask for soft frizz-free strands.
March, aloe vera to soothe your scalp and boost shine. April, oats and yogurt to calm an itchy scalp. May, egg mask for stronger, fuller-looking hair. June, coconut milk for deep summer hydration. July, cucumber mask to cool and refresh your scalp. August, fenugreek for reducing hair fall naturally.
September, avocado for repairing summer damage. October, rice water for stronger-looking lengths. November, dates and milk mask for extra nourishment. December, olive oil treatment for winter protection. Save this reel and let your kitchen decide your hair care routine for the next 12 months.